Hey, who are you guys and where you guys come from? Well, this is Bikini Bottom, and I'm SpongeBob SquarePants. Aren't you little guys just so cute?
SpongeBob, my boy, who are your little friends?
These are the Angry Birds, and they came from a polo in the sky. I dubbed thee the Eggy Patty. Can I have an Eggy Patty, please? I must tell the whole world about the Eggy Patty.
Oh, hee. Money. Oh, I'll get an Eggy Patty, even if I have to destroy the whole of Bikini Bottom to get one! Oh, Karen, it's time we bring out the big guns! If I can't have the Krabby Patty formula, I'll have the Eggy Patty formula! Ha 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 ha! That plankton robot can't find me underneath here! Can't hide from me underneath there, crabs! Plankton's not gonna bully us no more! Attack! Uh-oh! I can't see a thing!
Hey Patrick, I think our bird friends had the right idea. Let's transform!
I'll get you for this, and your stupid round bird friend!